Every day, chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
Maro?
Hello. Hi. Hello.
Hello.
I'm audible. I'm audible, Kashif.
Yes, I can hear you.
All right.
Okay, let me just share my screen. Uh,
Oh, like some sound is coming. Is it from my lap?
can you see the screen?
Just give me a minute. No, not yet.
Can you see
Yeah,
it
now
now?
I can see screen.
Okay, so basically, I'm in this gold cells from this top
Okay.
was London highs liquidity. So, yep. Let's see how it goes.
Why you took this entry?
So, let's see how far it goes. Like, it's already 1 to 1.
Yeah.
I am running in some decent profits right now. Maybe at this point, I will secure half of my profits.
What's entry condition?
Can you hear me?
Like I'm asking like why you took this entry?
Sorry.
Like I'm asking like on what basis you took this entry?
What? You're very. You're not audible, Rishi. Your voice is too low.
I'm audible now.
Yes, now it's clear, loud and clear.
Yeah, like what I asked is like on what basis you took this entry?
So basically, I was looking at this London session range. We had these like the overall trend is bearish since
Okay.
Asian Open, as you can see. So my entry was based on this London highs right here. So you
Okay.
can see the trend is bearish. Price section, it took out the London lows right here.
Okay. Okay.
It pushed up. Then after taking out the London highs,
Okay.
it started to drop. So basically, it's a liquidity setup, session liquidity setup. So now I need to see, like my target is down to the NY lows, but I need to see if this candle stays below the London highs. And the way I see it on the 1 minute time frame is just a clean, precise sniper. Oh my god, nice. So I'm gonna go risk. I'm gonna secure half right here,
Okay.
50% secured, risk free. Now my trade is basically it's technically it's risk free. So if it goes to my stop loss now, I would not be losing any money because I secured half right there.
Okay, that's good.
Are you in any trade today?
No. How was your week?
Man, like yesterday was really good. Uh, like gold when it started to go buy from 4,660.
Okay,
Yeah, from down these lows. Let me show you on the 1 hour time frame.
sure.
So this zone you see, 4,660.
Okay,
I was in buys from here. So like yesterday, I flipped $200 to $1,000, and I
okay.
also uploaded on my Instagram stories, and I made like $1,200 on my swing account on this buy one position.
Oh,
So I'm kind of like, honestly, I'm already done for a week.
it's good. Trade is actually going in your favor.
Yes, but the thing is, Rishi, my friend, there's a lot of rejections to the
Hmm.
downside. You see, like this is a swing rejection point. This could also be a rejection point.
Yeah,
This could also be a rejection area. So there's, although like it's going in my favor, but there's a lot of rejections.
yeah.
And right now it's giving me $80 of a profit on live account. 95 now.
Okay,
$95. So maybe I'm just gonna record a story on this as well. Man, I don't know. Like trade in live stream sessions on YouTube is a blessing for me. Whenever I trade like on this live session, I always fucking win. I don't know for some reason. Like lose. I try to lose, but I never lose like on these live sessions. I don't know. All right, guys. So this is New York session live, and it's live on Tradin YouTube live session. I was in this trade, and it's running right here. This is the trade running in like 150, I think $110. So I'm just gonna let it run.
that's good.
Let me show it on YouTube as well that we are live. We are making money live. 61 people watching right now. Nice. Yeah. All right, guys. So I'm live on YouTube. Executed this sniper cells live on the trading stream. Here I am. And right now, this is the trade. This is my account. It's running in $130. I'm gonna secure half, honestly. So half position secured. Now I'm risk free. Profit booked. I'm risk free on this trade. I'm not. I'm gonna let it run to the full TP. And this is all live on YouTube. This is all live. Yeah, guys. I have secured 50% right here. Like, if you guys can see my username, it's Trading Street 247 on Instagram. I'm gonna upload the story. Rishi, maybe I tag you as well. Alright, guys. So I'm live on.
Still, it is going in a profit, and the momentum is also looking good. I think you might achieve 100% target, but let's see. Still, we are
But
having hurdles like around the area that you have marked.
mm, but like the thing is, I think like trading is you need to be very dynamic to make money. For example, right at this point, I have secured 75% of my positions. It's only 25% of my positions running.
That's good.
Because the thing is, like my emotions, like it's telling me, or my greed, it's telling me that you should be waiting for the full TP. But at the same time, if you look at the 1 minute time frame, this is a counter trend. You see that the 1 minute from the lows, 1 minute formed a bullish trend, making higher highs and higher lows. Now, this could be a deeper higher low, and the rejection coming from this zone right here is very strong. So, based on this,
Okay.
I'm already out like 75%. If it goes down, like, okay, it's good. But if it goes up, like, I'll still be happy because I've secured like 75%.
Okay. Have you booked the profit?
Yes, yes, Rishi. I have secured 75%. I have uploaded a story as well. Now the remainder, it's break even. So if it goes to my break even, like still, it's a very
Okay.
good trade for me because I caught the top and I exited right at the bottom,
Okay.
right at the bottom, right? Rishi, what's your Instagram handle, Rishi?
It's chattrader.in.
Yes, yes, chadtrader.in. I'm gonna write live. Okay, now I'm out of the position now. Nice.
That's good, but still you have secured 75%, right? So that is a pretty good
I mean,
target.
at the lows, honestly, I'll tell you at the lows, it was running in $130 for me. But I
Okay.
only booked 30, let me tell you, I only booked 30, 60, 70, 80,
Okay.
$87 only. Like if I would have secured full at the bottom, where at 4,700, it would have been $130. But now it's $87. So, but still good. Still good.
That's good.
And the thing is, one thing I see the rejection from this zone, like it was kind of like obvious because it was 4,700 psychological level. You know, like
Okay.
these levels 4,700, 4,750, 4,600, 4,800. They work as a resistance, psychological barrier.
Okay.
Maybe you share your screen, Rishi. I want to hear your thoughts as well.
Yeah, sure. Just give it. Hold it. Can you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah, fine. So I'm actually bullish in gold when it comes to long-term perspective because
Mhm.
like after a very good fall, the market is actually trying to recover, and even after this very good recovery on the high side, the market retraced back, and you can able to see a very good consolidation, and the market again it broke, and then again it retraced back. We can able to see currently it is moving higher, and it is actually going to a discounted level. So what I'm expecting is I'm just expecting a very good rally on the higher side, but this fall is actually huge. So whenever the market try to reverse after a very good fall, or a very good bullish move, like it will take some time. Sometimes it will reverse immediately, or sometimes what will happen is like it will give you a very good consolidation, or the market may again manipulate on the downside, and then later it will reverse. So I'm just expecting the market to reverse on the higher side after a very good consolidation for a longer run. And the market is also near a 4-hour fair value gap, which is a good support level, and this candle is also looking pretty good. Now it is actually taking support from this level. The market breached the 4 hours, like the previous 4 hours candle, and now it is going higher. Yeah, so it is going higher, and even it took out this high, and you scalped in this particular low, like in the small fall, which is pretty good, which is actually a good scalp. But overall, in longer run, I'm actually bullish. I'm just expecting the market to go further highs. Like the market may either reach this level, or it may fill this fair value gap, and then we can expect a small consolidation. But my overall target is this particular high, but I don't think that the market will reach this level immediately. It will take some time, but my overall bias in higher time frame perspective, it is completely bullish. So this is my view on gold. I'm audible, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Let's also take in some questions. Uh, there's Gerard Paul says, "What do you will this go down? Will this go down?" Uh, like Gerard, the way I see it on the 4 hour time frame, you are kind of like on the especially on the 4 hour time frame, it's kind of like a range bound market, right? And
Okay.
just a moment, and you are ranging from 4650 to 4700.
Okay.
So the way I see it on the 4 hour time frame, any break above 4750, any break and closure above 4750 will open the room for 4900. But as
Okay.
long as the price is staying below 4750, gold is bearish as of
Okay.
now.
Okay.
Let me uh, maybe if you go on the Rishi, if you go on the 4 hour time frame,
Yeah.
or maybe on the daily, yeah, just start from the daily. Yep. Now you see like these the last three daily candles, they wicked out the 4750 level. Look at the top. So just zoom in a little bit. Zoom in.
Or
Yes,
are you pointing at this level?
I'm pointing at this. So you
Yeah.
have a day, whole day of price action rejecting 4750. Then you have the next daily candle not able to break above 4750. Then you have a third day which was not able to break above 4750. Now you are trading a fourth day which again rejected 4750. That technically says that the price section is not able to go above 40 or close above 4750. So as long as there's no 4 hour candle or daily candle closing above 4750, my bias is kind of like bearish on gold. But
Oh, okay.
the moment it closes above 4750, then you will see the next liquidity up at the top, which is 4900. If you can mark on the daily, uh, the last swing high on the daily,
Sorry.
the last swing high. This would be the target when we break above 4750.
This one, right?
Yes, this one
Yeah, yeah.
exactly.
I'm expecting the same thing.
But at the same time, it's very good because if gold drops to 47, 4650, 4680, 4670, I'm
Hmm.
also looking for buys at the bottom. Like I'm not like it's gonna drop and it will keep dropping. Like if it goes down, that will be an opportunity for me to buy gold because longer run it's a safe haven and it will continue going up.
Okay, okay. Mostly what I'll do is like I'll try to catch the moves in the lower end itself, but
Hmm.
again with proper confirmation. And also I'm not a big fan of the sharp reversal like sniper entries. Most of the time like sniper entries, what will happen is like it will reverse to a certain point and then again it may start consolidation, or again it will manipulate, and after 1 hour or 1.5 hours, then only the market will try to push on the high side.
Exactly.
So yeah, so even when I'm about to catch at the lows or highs, I'll just wait
Hmm.
for some kind of confirmation. Then I'll be going with a lower time frame entry. But still, like on longer run, I'm still bullish. But I'm just waiting for a perfect opportunity, like a very good confirmation to enter the buys.
Exactly. And I totally agree with your point. Like sniper entries, short, lower time frame, scalp trades, they have their pros and cons. So, for example, if you're trading like a 1 minute, 5 minute time frame, you might be in the right direction, but
Yeah.
the market might take you out and then move in your direction. But whereas swing trades, let's say 30-minute time frame, 1 hour time frame, they give you a room to DCA, to dollar cost average into your trades.
Okay.
And it's just, it never went to my break even though. Let me share my let me share my screen.
Yeah, I can share a screen.
Yep.
Yeah, now we can share a screen.
So yeah, so if you see right here,
Yeah.
gold after getting into this trade dropped and pushed back up again, but still it was not able to close above the London highs. That means London highs is your strong resistance at 4708. Now, if it breaks this low, then it might also hit my man full target. Hmm. Oh, nice. Maybe like after breaking out this zone, the next could be down to this area. But let's see if it breaks below the swing low first. Yep. So it's if it breaks this, it's gonna go down to this level, and it's already there. Okay, it already there. Okay. I don't know how to show this. My buy is running in profits. Oh, sorry, sales running in profits. Come on, this camera sucks. Yeah, I guess now you guys can see. Okay, I'm gonna secure right here another like I guess. All right, so this is let's look at the 30-minute time frame as well at the same time because I'm too much focused right now on the 1 minute. Need to see the 30-minute as well. Now, if I look at the 30-minute, look at this 30-minute candle closing bearish, impulsively bearish. So, if this 30-minute can close below the previous 30-minute low, it will be
Okay.
dropping. It will be dropping to take out these lows. Crazy. Let's see how this 30-minute closes. At the same time, I don't want to see a big wick on this 30-minute candle because big wick at the downside means rejection. So I just want it to close with a good bearish body without big of a wick.
Okay.
Is there any news or something?
So in what, like generally what time frame you use to enter into the trade?
Like if I'm trading intraday session, I would go for 30-minute market structure or 15-minute market structure,
Okay.
and 5 minute would be for my confirmation candles, and 1 minute will be for my execution.
Okay.
We got like 2 minutes in the 30-minute to close. Hmm. Just trying to push down, like it's, look at the 1 minute time frame. It's trying hard to drop, trying hard to drop.
What you're expecting now? Like, will it fall further? Kashif, like, I can't able to hear you.
Yeah, I said like I closed my cells before the CPI
Okay, okay.
because never ever trade before the news. Anything could happen.
Yeah, that's true.
See?
Kashif, like, could you just continue for 5 minutes? Like, I'll be back in five
Yes,
minutes.
yes, yes, please.
Yeah, yeah. Please excuse me. Sorry.
No, no, no worries. I'm
Yeah,
here.
I'll be back in 5 minutes. Just give me
All
five
right.
minutes.
Oh my God, like it just dropped. It just dropped. Crazy. Wow. It just dropped to my full, almost full target. The sell pressure is too high. Yes. Yep. That was a good trade. Beautiful. Beautiful. Nice. All right, guys. I'm done with this trade idea right here. I'm done. It was very good session. Let me know, guys. Did you made money on the CPI or you lost money? Let me know in the chat. Do you have risk limits per month? No, I don't have risk limits. Life is already limited by many things. Why do I limit my risk in trading where I should be taking more risk? Life is full of risks, man. Every day is a risk. Why are you managing risk on trading? Like basically, so let me just put your question in to perspective. I I trade my main accounts for like average 10 to 15% a month, and at the same time I trade flip accounts. Flip accounts means I would deposit like $100, $50, $200, which I can comfortably afford to lose, and I would wait for one setup and go in with high risk. Let's say like 30% risk on that flip account. So it's just a different approach. But average, if you ask me, like on my main accounts, like it's maximum half percent risk, because I like to survive in trading, and this is what I have seen. The longer you survive in the market, even if you don't make money one day, 2 day, 3 day break even, the more you survive, the more opportunities you have, right? For example, there's a trader who is risking all his money like on one trade or on one day. He will lose. He will lose all. But a trader who is surviving, he has odds of winning over the long run. This is the importance. So like never go like more than half percent on the mains. Even still, right now the pressure is. Let's look at some chat. Can you share your setup? My setup was this, my friend. Like I executed a sell or after it took out the London highs, and I closed full right here. It pushed up, tapped into break even point, and then with the CPI, it dropped all the way to this level right here. So that was my liquidity setup basically. And I'm already done for the day. Like I'm not looking at any other setup now. But if you ask me, uh, for the sake of analysis, I would say look at this low right here. Price action, it rejected this low, right? So you can say like it's in a range. It's in a range right now, and your range is 4687. This line, and your range high is 4710, right? So as long as the price action in this tight range, you can expect bounces. You can expect the price action going from this low to this high again and maybe drop again, or maybe start to range back in this range, right? So I don't see any setup other than this range bound price action on the 1 minute time frame. Entered with you through live and made profits. Gerald Paul, easy one. Nice. Congratulations, man. Happy for you. Maybe you also give me a follow on Instagram. My Instagram is, I'm just gonna write it to you. That's my Instagram. Make sure to give a like to this stream because you made money and it was possible because of this trade-in live session. Make sure to leave a like. If you look at the 30-minute candle, no, I mean the 1 hour candle, I guess, you will see a big bottom wick. Let me just remove this everything from the chart. Okay, so you will see a big bottom wick, and you can see a bullish momentum on the 1 minute time frame. Based on this information, I see if it flips bullish, this 30-minute candle, if it flips bullish at 4706 with the volume, it can make a bullish body to the upside. This could be a possible scenario, but the candle needs to flip, the 30-minute candle, and it's going to flip at this point. You see this line at 4706.77. This is going to be the flip point. So if it flips bullish, there is a high probability that it will go and make a bullish body like this, and you can make money on that scalp. You can make money on that scalp. It's a survival of the fittest. You see some information, you execute, and you make money, you get out quickly, and that's it. No analysis paralysis, nothing. Simple. Yeah. Okay, guys. So as you can see, the 30-minute candle has flipped, officially flipped bullish, and it's trying to break the previous 30-minute highs. Let me read the chat. I already follow you. I also made $1,000 on Discord, Instagram. I have already liked the stream. Geo Mirza Ji. Wow, thank you. Nice. Good to see you guys making money from this live session. Now, the candle has already flipped bullish, but now the thing is, if it can break the previous 30-minute high, it will go more up, maybe to this level. This is a possibility, right? But if you are already into the bias before the bullish flip happened, you are good. If you already entered before, that means you are good. It's a good scalp. Okay, flipping bearish again. I wanted it to break the high, by the way, like this high, but as I said, like on the 1 minute time frame, it's a range bound price action. Now you see, like we just reached the top of this liquidity right here and rejected again. You see, it's just a big range. If I look at the 15-minute time frame, it just left a wick, and this candle might fill this wick on the 15-minute. That would be good, because the only thing you can expect it to go up is this 1 hour candle breaking the previous 1 hour high. Okay, so it's flipping bullish again. Now let's see if this time we can break above this previous 1 hour high. This high, I mean this 1 hour high, which is 4709. If we can break above 4709, that will be amazing. That will be amazing. Look at the 30-minute candle. Hmm. Okay, so now it's breaking above the previous 30-minute highs, boys. It already. There you go. There you go. There you go. Okay, okay, nice, nice, nice. So I have made $200 on this. Look at this live. $200. Close the positions. Live money. Let's go. I'm rich. I'm gonna go buy a Ferrari now, guys. See you guys in the next session. This is what I meant. When you like, analysis paralysis never gonna make you profitable. If you see something happening, you have to execute. You have to take the risk. Because if you will keep watching, you will just be a fucking watcher. You have to be the doer. So the thing is, when I saw this 1 hour candle coming with a big volume from 4690, I already had that in my brain, in my mind, that this candle has a high probability to flip bullish. Whereas many people, they just see and they go in analysis paralysis. I was already in bias from here, 4700. And right at the top, when it broke the 1 hour previous 1 hour high, I already booked $200 live of a money. It's 60,000 rupees in Pakistan. Whereas the haters might be in the chat right now, I don't know. I just made the money of their monthly salary. Wow, beautiful. Flexing my profits live. Crazy. Alright, guys, so I'm done for the day. I'll leave you guys now. with this information, and the information is very simple. Look at your 5 minute time frame and look at this range. I'm going to draw a range for you guys, and I'm also going to share a setup with you guys. And you have to be focused. So this is your 5 minute range basically, okay? From 46.85 to 47.10. Two things. One is a high probability which I will be looking for a swing buy. If it drops, take out all these London lows liquidity and taps into 46.70, this zone, I will be taking a buy after rejection. This is the number one. Number two is if it goes up, takes out the liquidity, and gives a very strong bearish closure and a bearish momentum, then I will be going for a sell in the direction of the bearish trend. Two possibilities that I will be looking for the rest of the New York session. Take care, enjoy, do not overtrade, and have a nice one.